We got our Leopard 360 new vent cap. This is a Alliance 290 MK. We're starting to peel this off here using just a stiff blade putty knife. And we got the top off. We can see like the vent covers are already low, so we're gonna have to see. So just getting it started here, you can see you gotta peel off the initial die core. Then you can ride this plastic trim piece around here, and that's pretty good. I'm gonna clean it all up after I take the cap fully off, but so we got one success. Got it all off of there, got all 6 screws out. One of them is actually stripped. Also, there's some Turnabon on the actual cap that we're gonna try to reuse since I don't have any. But yeah, it's kind of weird. They completely cut the rubber out. So I have to somehow really secure this thing, but with a ton of die core that should. So this, I have to somehow maneuver this because I can push it over a little bit. So I can do that. Okay, so that's task number one. Doesn't quite, the hole's too big here. So, major problem is this says, this little thingy supposed to fit in there. Well, goddamn near falls right through it. So, we are in a predicament. So, I test. It's kind of a nightmare, but so this one screw over here is attached to absolutely nothing. But this screw is tight, tight, and tight. Okay. So I put die core underneath it, everything. So now I just have to fit the cap over it. So I decided to, I don't know, this little piece, get out of here. Ain't gonna serve any purpose because it doesn't fit tight into the tube anyway. So I just get to die core him on, or adhesive, or whatever I want to use. And he fits tight as a drum on there, kinda. He kind of wedges into there against that pipe. So, yeah, plans. We definitely need this because if I put this on there, just like that, like so, like I had shown, water can still get around this edge. So, this definitely needs to get stuffed in here. And just die cord in there or whatever you gotta do.